Diego Macías de Argentina. Do you know that at least for today you are an idol in Argentina? In Argentina, talk about Lionel Musa because now Argentina have any illusion for you.
Yeah, thank you very much for that. For me, I think whenever I play against Argentina and whenever Messi is playing, I can remember last 4 years in Brazil when Messi was playing, I scored 2 goals. And when I leave, or when I transfer to Leicester and we play against Barcelona, he's in the pitch and I score another 2 goals. So I think in the next game, anything can happen. Possible, I'm going to score another 2 goals.